Good morning, students. We'll continue with our lesson 7, keeping safe. Till now, we have read about the safety rules that you need to follow at home, in school, at public places, on road, right? Today, we are going to read about safety rules that you need to follow at beach, right? When you're going on the beach near seashore, what safety rules you need to follow? Okay, so first one is be very careful while walking on the beach. Okay, everybody like to play on the beach. So what do? You're barefooted. You leave your slippers, your shoes, and you're playing on the beach. So be very careful because the beach toys such as small buckets, shovels, okay, they're lying around and you may get hurt by the beach toys. Okay, जो beach पे सीपियाँ होती हैं, right? Some of them are very pointed, very sharp, so you may hurt yourself. You need to be very careful while walking on the beach. Okay, do not go too far inside the water, into the water, okay, because the flow of water and the depth you don't realize, and it's not safe, right? So we should not go too far inside the water. Then do not swim in the water alone. Always when you're going on the beach, no need to go alone. Go along with your adults, with your parents. Okay, it's written number 3, never swim alone. Okay, it's not suggested, not advised to swim alone. Then you should have a lifeguard jacket with you. Life jacket, boating safety, all these things you need to be very careful while be on the beach. Okay, next one, safety rules while playing with dogs. While you're playing with your pets, with your dogs, what safety rules you should follow? Okay, don't play, first of all, don't play with the stray dogs. They may bite you. They're not vaccinated. You should always play with your pet dogs. Okay, in case a pet dog even bites, they are vaccinated. So you don't suffer from any infection, any disease. If a street dog or a stray dog bites you, they are not vaccinated and you may suffer from many diseases. Okay, so stay away from them. Do not run away from a dog. If a dog is walking towards you, most of the time it happens now when you see a dog mere side aa raha hai and you start running. Okay, so they also start following you. Be calm and just ask for the help. Call some adult. Okay, take an adult with you if you are taking your pet for a walk. Like you are going for a walk, many of the time what happens, they start running, okay, at a very high speed. So it becomes very difficult to control them. Like when you're going for a walk, you need to take some adult with you, your mother, your father, anybody from the family. Okay, next one, always wash your hands with soap and water after touching a dog. You're playing with your dog, right? That's good, but you need to wash your hands. Wash your hands because they contain a lot of germs. So please wash your hands regularly. Next one, safety rules while traveling in a vehicle. While you're traveling, you should follow some safety rules. Okay, so what are those safety rules? Always when we are going on a two-wheeler, we need to wear a helmet. If we are traveling in a car, wear a seat belt. Do not play too much of loud music. Okay, it disturbs the person who's driving. You are enjoying the loud music, but the person who's driving the car, it disturbs. So only soothing music, no loud music. Okay, and follow the traffic rules. Encourage the driver to follow traffic rules. Of course, you're not driving the car, somebody else is driving. Mama is driving, papa is driving, somebody else is driving. So take care, and everybody should follow the traffic rules. Do not put your elbow, your hand, or your head out of the moving car, vehicle. Okay, then always listen to the instruction given by the bus attendant. If you're going in a school bus, the bus conductor is giving some instructions, so follow those instruction. Always move in a line, walk in a queue while you are boarding your bus or train, any vehicle, any transport. Read all the signals carefully. We need to follow the instruction signals very carefully, okay? Never get down or try to go in a moving bus, okay? So never get up and move around in the bus. If the brakes are applied suddenly, you may fall. It happens now, you're moving from one seat to another seat to chat with your friends in a moving bus. If the driver applies a brake, you may fall down and you may hurt yourself. Okay. Next one is internet safety. So now these days, because of the online teaching, everybody is using a lot of internet. Many of the times you have to search the Google, okay, for finding the answers, but you need to follow some internet safety rules also, okay? Since you are kids, you don't know how to operate all these gadgets, so many of the times you get misguided. So you need to follow all these instructions. Take care of all these things. See what's written here. Keep your password secret. All the passwords should be kept secret. You should not share your password some stranger except your parents. Your parents should know all the passwords, okay? Don't talk to strangers. Only talk to people you have met in person, okay? So internet safety, you try to chat with unknown people, so don't do it. They may misguide you. Don't give out your phone numbers unless a parent asks you to do so, right? So don't share your personal details, your phone numbers. Close and tell an adult. When you see something bad online, do close it and inform your parents, your adults, okay? Ask before you download. So if you are downloading any file, any app, you need to consult your parents, okay? Only say, share nice things. Always be kind. If you want to share something very nice, of course we can do it, okay? So we are ready to share good things amongst your friends, teachers, parents, right? Only knowledgeable things. Okay, so this was all about today. Today we have read about the safety rules that we need to follow on beach, while playing with dogs, while traveling in a vehicle, and the internet safety rules, okay? In the next module, we are going to discuss about first aid. Many of the times when we get injured, okay, in spite we were very careful, then also we get injured. Many of the time it happens. Then what should we do in that case? We need a first aid, okay? So in the next class, we are going to discuss about first aid. So read all these topics from the book for better understanding. Bye. Take care.